Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix ongoing device setup on iOS 18. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Go back to your screen, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the settings, right? First, check your internet connection. Make sure that you use a powerful internet. Now, what you're gonna do next, move along to the general. And then in the general, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the VPN and device management and make sure that your VPN is disconnected. Now what I'm gonna do next, if you're still facing that issue, go scroll a little bit up and then go ahead to the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version so you can have access to all the new features. Now what I'm gonna do, if that problem persists, just go ahead and use the control center by swiping down on your Wi-Fi at the top right, and you're gonna see the shutdown button at the top right. Go ahead and shut down your iPhone and restart it once again, and basically that's it. That's normal because your iPhone is currently going through a set of process, and you'll be able to fix that issue quickly. All right, so please be patient and let the process finish. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on all the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.